起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time to teach you some practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month, the phrase we're teaching you is 来不及, not enough time.
父母菜
Okay, that means, 来不及了, not enough time to do what? Let's say, how about you are getting off work a little late today and don't have enough time to cook. 有时候太晚下班的话，就来不及煮饭了。
吃外面
就只能吃个便当或什么了，就干脆今天既然没有要煮饭，就吃好一点好了。
来吃个牛排吧。
Okay, let's listen to a conversation where, again, not enough time to cook, but why don't we bring some like meal boxes home? But then someone says, you know what, I want to have steak.
今晡日太晏下班，父唔出煮飯。
很偏東好咧，想吃乜嘅呢？
唔過，我較想食牛排。
So let's break it down one by one here. The first line, 今天太晚下班，来不及煮饭。I got off too late today, not enough time to cook.
今晡日太晏下班，
今晡日太晏下班，
父唔出煮飯。
父唔出煮飯，這最後一句當然知道嘛，父唔出來不及煮飯就是 cook 嘛 ，OK, not enough time to cook. 下班叫做
下班
that's right, that's to get off work, OK. 今晡日 that means today,
今天
OK, 太晚了
太晏
太晏 OK, too late getting off work, hence not enough time to cook. 好吧，叫便當吧，想吃什麼呢？
很偏東好咧，
很偏東嘞，
想吃乜嘅呢？
想吃乜嘅呢？想吃 that means what are you thinking to eat? 乜嘅 what kind of things? 那便當
偏東
偏東 okay, usually in English we say a lunch box, but in this case it's a dinner box, okay? That means a box of a meal box basically. 可是比較想吃牛排 but I feel like having steak. I prefer having steak.
唔過我較想吃牛排。
唔過我較想吃牛排 that's a steak, and I prefer or 比較想
我較想
我較想 Let's break down some of the phrases we taught you, like 下班 getting off work,
下班
and then to cook a meal 煮飯
煮飯
and then have that juicy steak 牛排 All right, let's listen to the conversation again.
今晡日太晏下班，父唔出煮飯。
很偏東好咧，想吃乜嘅呢？
唔過，我較想食牛排。
And this month, the phrase we're teaching you is 來不及
父唔出
餓了，趕快去吃牛排了。See you next time here on Practical Hakka.
是唔太趕。
是誰張來了？
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.